Welcome to the channel Data Science Demonstrated. It is estimated that 35% of the Amazon revenue is generated using product recommendation. When you buy some product, for example, in traditional Indian style shirt, you'll also get recommendation to buy a colorful traditional jacket. Now, such product recommendations help in generating huge revenue as well as help customer discover more products. So in this video, I will demonstrate to you the secret sauce behind this revenue generation techniques which are driven by data science and machine learning. I will demonstrate the top 3 product recommendation techniques which are shown right now on the screen. You can also experience these techniques on my website experiencedatascience.com, which is a no-code platform to learn data science by experiencing it. So friends, let's get started, but do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like and comment on the video. In this video, I will take an example of product recommendation for movies. We have all experienced this on the online movie streaming platforms such as Netflix, which recommends movies to watch based on what we have already watched. Let me start with the first technique called the association analysis. The association analysis algorithm is one of the most simplest techniques for product recommendation. It takes all the movies which are watched by the users and then tries to find out the most frequent combination. The result of association analysis can be visualized as shown on the screen. Each dot in this visualization is a movie, and the connection between the movies means there is a strong association between them. For example, the analysis shows an association between the movie Indiana Jones and Fugitive. Now, though both movies are very different, the main actor in both these movies is Harrison Ford. So, if a user likes movie Indiana Jones, he will also watch other movies of Harrison Ford. So, association analysis is a simple but a very effective technique used by many movie recommendation engines. Alright, after that action-packed opening, let us now go to the second technique called the content-based recommendation. In this technique, we need to collect data related to the content of the movie, such as the overall story, cast, actors, director, etc. etc. And content-based recommendation uses the algorithms to find the common content or common words and then find a similarity score. Here is a visualization which gives the most similar movies based on their similarity scores. The X and Y axes have the movie titles and the colored box indicates that similarity between the movies. For example, there is a strong similarity between the movie Garfield and the movie Garfield: A Tale of Two Kitties. One more interesting example is the similarity between the movie Man on the Wire and the movie The Walk. The title of the movie seems very different, but when you analyze the movie description content, you see that both movies are about a French man, Philippe Petit, who attempted to walk on a tightrope between the Twin Towers in 1974. So as you can see that the content-based recommendation is a really powerful technique to recommend movies based on similar content. So my friends, hope you are enjoying the video till now. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and let us move to the third technique called the collaborative filtering. This technique takes into consideration the user movie preferences. Collaborative filtering will try to find out similar users based on the movies they have liked and which they have not liked and then recommend a movie. You can imagine that the users are virtually collaborating with each other through their likes and dislikes, and hence the term collaborative filtering. Now let me give a short demo on collaborative filtering. Let us say we want to recommend movie to a user with an user ID 109. Let us say we want to recommend 10 movies. Now let me run this collaborative filtering algorithm, and once it is run, I first see a list of movies which the user has liked. He has given a rating of 5, which is the top rating, to the movies such as Batman, Beverly Hills Cops, Independence Day, Indiana Jones. We can also observe that the most of the movies this user has liked are the movies which were released in the 1990s. Now here is the list of movies which the user has not watched yet and the collaborative filtering has recommended. You have the movie name and a predicted rating. The collaborative filtering predicts that the user would really like the movie Titanic and would give a rating of 4.6. So we can recommend Titanic to these users. And this makes sense as Titanic is also a 1990 movie and seems to be in the user preferences. So hope you have enjoyed watching these really powerful recommendation techniques. You can also try out some of these techniques shown in the video on the channel's website experiencedatascience.com. On this website, you can go to the Experience product recommendation. You can then click on the data story to understand the context. And then you can get hands-on and try it out yourself. You can hover over the tip button which will tell you on what to do at each step. You'll be able to experience all the visuals and the techniques shown in the video on this website without doing any coding. So thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like and comment on the video.